Hey, it's Madison. Let's install the island hop. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. I'll start by cutting everything up. Next, I'll plan the placement of the islands. Don't worry, we include a layout guide to make this step easy. There are two different ways to apply the images. In this first method, I'll apply 2 pieces of tape to both sides of the island to hold it in place. Then I'll peel back a section to expose the backing and trim that portion away. Once the backing is removed, I'll press the exposed part of the island firmly onto the floor. At this point, I can remove the tape and lift the island to peel off a section of the backing. In my left hand, I'll hold the backing, and in my right hand, I'll use a squeegee in a smooth, wave-like motion to press part of the image down. For the second method, I'll peel off the backing entirely and hover my image slightly to check the placement, then adhere a portion down using my squeegee in a smooth, wave-like motion. And that's it!